Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the 2K25 edition and that your platform matches the mod or trainer version. Once done, free at least 1 GB and ensure a stable 5 Mbps connection for downloads. Next, make a local backup of your game folder to revert if needed. Then download the official or trusted Lightning Launch 2K25 package. Don't wait. Open the installer folder and prepare to run it as administrator, so permissions won't block the next steps. You run the Lightning Launch installer as administrator to avoid permission errors. During setup, pick Custom Install so you can set the exact game path and skip unwanted modules. Once files are extracted, apply the recommended configuration profile. This optimizes performance and compatibility. Make sure your firewall allows the launcher and enable automatic updates so patches install smoothly. After configuration, restart the launcher to validate integrity. If prompted, verify game files. You complete the process by signing into Lightning Launch and syncing any linked accounts so licenses and DLC unlock properly. Then start the game once using the launcher to generate default settings. If you encounter crashes or missing assets, launch in safe mode to isolate mods and re-verify game files from the launcher. A common fix is clearing the launcher cache and re-verifying files before attempting a full reinstall. This resolves corrupt downloads most of the time and gets Lightning Launch 2K25 working.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.